During October 2021, 3 of the 5 visible planets will be in the sky just after sunset. Venus will be low in the west, and on the 17th of October, Venus will be very close to the red supergiant Antares in the constellation Scorpius. Directly above our heads, we will be able to see Saturn with its beautiful rings and Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, with its fast-moving moons. There are 3 constellations which will assist us in viewing some of the most amazing stargazing events during this period. First, in the south we have the Southern Cross. In the west, we have the large and easy recognizable Scorpius. And thirdly, in the north we have Cygnus, the Swan. When we are in the northern part of South Africa, the Southern Cross will disappear below the horizon during the evening. But when we are in the Cape Town area, the cross will stay above the horizon for the whole night. Cape Town is one of the few cities where the Southern Cross is always visible right through the year. The red supergiant Antares that competes with Betelgeuse to be the largest star in our Milky Way provides us a very good reference point to see how fast Venus moves through the night sky. This animation shows Venus every evening at the same time from the 16th of October to the 26th of October, and the relative movement of the planet to the fixed star Antares is remarkable. A spectacular sight is the double star Albireo in the constellation Cygnus. With our naked eyes, the beak of the swan looks like a single star, but in fact it is one of the most beautiful double stars, one orange and the other bright blue. Turning our telescope to Saturn, we will be able to see the rings of this gas planet. The Earth is orbiting in such a way that we view the rings from the bottom. The largest moon, Titan, where it is so cold that methane is in a liquid form, can easily be seen through the telescope. These images are from the Cassini space probe that operated around Saturn from 2004 till 2017, initially planned for 4 years, but so successful that they could keep it for a longer period. We should try and see Enceladus, which is the most reflective body in our solar system, because it is snowing on it very frequently. Titan and Enceladus will be in different positions every night. Focusing on Jupiter, we will be able to see the 4 Galilean moons orbiting around Jupiter. The moons around Jupiter move so fast that we can see their positions change in one night. Our moon takes 28 days around the Earth. There are 11 Earths in the diameter of Jupiter, and it takes the closest moon to Jupiter, Metis, only 7 hours to orbit this giant. The positions of the moons are different every night, and sometimes one can see one of the moons appearing from a moon eclipse, which means coming out of the shadow of Jupiter, like Ganymede in this animation. At other times we will be able to see how these moons move past each other in opposite directions. And finally, we will also have the ability to zoom in on the moon to see the huge craters on its surface. We conclude our video with images of the annular eclipse that took place on the 1st of September 2016, as seen from the island Galilean in the province of Cabo Delgado in Mozambique. The moving moon in front of the sun with a ring of fire is clearly visible. Below the trees, perfect circular shadows of the moon in front of the sun ensured a memorable event.